Hello everyone, welcome to Zion Traders. So today we are going to analyze gold and see what gold could possibly do in the next few weeks. So guys, this is gold chart and I want to quickly share with you a repeated pattern that has been happening on gold. So whenever gold wants to pull back, right, it usually pulls back into an area of imbalance. As you can see right here, gold pulled back into an area of imbalance on the weekly time frame right here, right? So you can see how I outline the area of imbalance. You can see this other move also gold wanted to retrace, it also retraced into an area of imbalance right here. The same thing happened here, gold also retraced into an area of imbalance right here before the buy move. So right now we are expecting the same pattern to repeat itself, right? So you know patterns usually repeat themselves, so we are expecting gold to trade into this area of imbalance on the weekly time frame, and we start seeing buys from here. Now it doesn't just trade into an area of imbalance, it does something on the daily time frame, right? That thing it does on the daily time frame is inducement. It takes out inducement, it takes out liquidity on the daily time frame before trading into the weekly time frame, and then price starts going higher. That is what it usually does. Right now let's go back and let's see this play out. So price wanted to retrace, right? So wanted to retrace, and then you can see how price retraced, took out all this liquidity on the daily time frame, swept everything, and then traded into that area of imbalance on the weekly time frame. This area of imbalance on the weekly time frame after taking out all of this liquidity right here, and then gold started going higher, right? The same thing happened here, guys. Gold took out this liquidity here on the daily time frame, trade into the weekly time frame fair value gap, and then it started trading higher. The same pattern repeated itself right there, right? Gold traded into a weekly imbalance and then took out liquidity on the daily time frame and then started trading higher. So the same thing, we are expecting the same thing to happen right here, although we don't have a level of liquidity right here on the daily time frame using the swing high and the swing low formation. But then coming down to the 4-hour time frame, we'll see two areas, two levels of liquidity here on the daily time frame, on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see right here, we have liquidity here residing below this low, we have liquidity residing below this low. So potentially gold is going to take out this liquidity, this last liquidity, and then trade into our draw on liquidity, which is the fair value gap on the weekly time frame. And then from here we love to see gold start buying again and continuously like that until we get to $300,000, right? Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share this video. God bless you.